Basics of aroma compounds. Essential oils are aroma compounds, which mean they can give out a scent that is quite distinct to each type of the plant. These aroma compounds are categorized into two groups, which are terpenoids and non-terpenoids. So the first group is the non-terpenoids. The name may sound a bit complicated, but the reason is that terpenes are a major group of aroma compounds. Other than that, are called non-terpenoids. These are terpenes with additional atoms. So the only group of compounds that are considered as the non-terpenoids is the terpenes itself. So what are terpenes? Terpenes are the largest class of compounds found in essential oils. They are considered as unsaturated hydrocarbons, which means they only consist of hydrogen and carbon atoms. And they can be recognized by the suffix "ene". Terpenes are made up of small units called the isoprene. And the isoprene consists of 5 carbon units. In general, all terpenes show good antiseptic properties, and some of them also show psychological properties as well. Inside the plant cells, there are many biochemical processes going on. Some of them will use the isoprene unit to build bigger compounds, which are given a different name. For example, monoterpenes. These compounds consist of 10 carbons. That means they are made of 2 isoprene units. The second one is sesquiterpenes. These compounds consist of 15 carbons, which means they are made up of 3 isoprene units. And the fourth one, diterpenes. They are made up of 20 carbon units, which means they are made up of 4 isoprene units. Many of the scents that we are familiar with can be found in many common products, such as limonene. It's a type of monoterpene that we are quite used to. They are found mostly in citrus fruits. In addition, on chemistry, they have isomers. The R isomers gives a smell of the orange, while the L isomer has a smell of lemon. This is the wonders of nature. Alpha-pinene is also found in turpentine. Alpha-syngiberine is also found in ginger and turmeric. It is very well known for its antioxidative properties. The second big group is the terpenoids. So these guys have the suffix of "oid". That means they are a modified or a derivative of the original compounds, in this case, the terpenes. So they are called terpenoids because they have some additional atoms, mostly oxygen, other than carbon and hydrogen. There are quite a number of groups in the terpenoid family, but we will mention only a few so you can get the whole idea of the terpenoids. The first group is the alcohols. These are chemical compounds with the suffix of "al". There is addition of the oxygen atom inside the structure and forms the hydroxyl group. Most of them are good antiseptics and have antimicrobial properties. Some are also found to be uplifting and some are also found to be a sedative. Menthol is the aroma compounds found in minty plants such as peppermint. We also find them in many inhalant balms. Citronellol is also found in lemongrass. Borneol is a close friend to camphor. They have quite a similar structure, so they also have quite a similar scent. Geraniol is from roses, and farnesol is from chamomile. The second groups are the aldehyde. So in chemistry, this group is considered to be an oxidized version of alcohol. The chemical compounds have the suffix of -al, and they are often found to have a calming and sedative effects. The most famous ones are citral and citronellal. So these are the citrus fragrance from lemongrass. The third group are the ketones. In these chemical groups, it has a suffix of -one. So they are more hydrophilic. That means they can be found a lot in the hydrosol. Camphor is an exception of this family. It doesn't have an -one at the end of its name because the name is quite ancient. It is the most well-known monoterpenoid ketones that we find it in many types of inhalant balms. Carvone is also found in spearmint, and jasmone is found in jasmine. The final group are the esters. So these are chemical compounds that are made up of an acid and an alcohol. So there are two suffixes to look for. The first one is the -il from alcohol, and the second one is the -ate from the acid. Most esters have antispasmodic effect and also calming effects. Esters are highly volatile and are produced the most when a flower blooms. For example, linaloyl acetate is the ester found in lavender, clary sages, and bergamot. Methyl salicylate is also found in birchwood and wintergreens. And this is the compound that was used to develop into aspirin. Although there are other types of terpenoids out there, and if we study all of them here, we might turn this course into an organic chemistry class. So, we wish to give you the overview of what essential oils consist of. The general properties are recorded from past observations by practitioners. But nevertheless, these compounds are all biologically active, which can elicit many other health effects to the human body. Some of them are already in research at the moment. In each plant, their essential oil is a mixture of these terpenoids and non-terpenoids. The majority of the aromatherapy community believes that the whole essential oil that we have extracted from the plants are the most valuable and effective portion. So isolating the pure chemical out of the essential oil might reduce its optimal health effect. So in the next chapter, we will be looking at the methods of extracting these essential oils.